Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying your Apple ID and two-factor authentication so iCloud can grant access. This prevents interruptions. Once logged in, check iCloud storage because downloads may need temporary space. If you're on a Mac or PC, open iCloud. In a browser. On iOS, use Settings Photos. Make sure Photos is enabled in iCloud settings. Then navigate straight to the Photos app or the recently deleted album to start locating missing images. You should go to Recently Deleted because most removed photos remain there for 30 to 40 days. This is the fastest recovery path. Once inside, select the items you want and tap Recover. Make sure the device stays on Wi-Fi so changes sync back to iCloud. If the photos aren't there, switch to iCloud. And use account settings, restore files to pull backups or deleted items. This accesses lower-level snapshots that the Photos app might not show. If Recently Deleted and Restore files fail, restoring an iCloud backup can recover older photos. You'll erase the device and restore from an iCloud backup during setup, so backup current data first. On Mac, check Time Machine or export from iCloud Photo Library via Photos File Export. Once done, make sure Photos has time to resync. If sync errors or missing files persist, sign out and back into iCloud or contact Apple support with your device serial. This often resolves account or snapshot conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.